we're in downtown Waxhaw today. I just finished up a video for the local bike shop down the street, Bike Depot. I just wanted to say, if you're a local videographer in today's age, it really does help to walk into a place, show your face, offer some free promotional video for your own portfolio. It helps them, it helps you. It's a win-win situation for everybody. If you have an area where you live where there's a lot of local business, if you have an area where you live like Waxhaw where there's a lot of local businesses within walking distance of each other, walk in, offer some of your work. I mean, it could turn in residual income. Other businesses within the area could see your work and want to hire you. So you have to do the work, and the work will find you.